Hi guys, I've just been upstairs looking for something and found these two fellas. I'd completely forgotten about them. Obviously Daleks from Doctor Who. I do remember that one. I think I had to 3D print the replacement, whatever you call this, laser gun or something or other. This one is like a hex bug, it vibrates. In fact, we could demonstrate, couldn't we? Not sure what state the battery is in it, but he is moving, even if it's a bit slow. I expect if I put him on a suitable surface, you'll be able to hear him vibrate. But yeah, that's bristles are vibrating. Turn him off again. Can we see who that's made by? Copyright Terry Nation. 2000 and something that I can't quite see with my glasses off. That could be 2006 maybe, I don't know. You'll be able to see better than me. There's a battery in there. Made in China. Oh, character options, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so that's that one. This one is actually radio controlled. 40 megahertz. Turn it on and he does actually talk. Seek, locate, destroy. Can we run him around without him falling off the table? So that's going to be one of these ones individually controlled, so it's tank steering. Yeah. So with this controller, which isn't the right one for it, backwards and right is backwards, forwards and left is forwards, left is right, right is left, and then backwards is backwards, left, and forwards is forwards, left. Yeah. Well, I'd completely forgotten about that fella. Dalek image, copyright BBC, Terry Nation. Oh, that one's 1963. That doesn't mean it was made in 1963. That's just the copyright that they're referring to. Licensed by BBC Worldwide. Made in China. And that's Character Group Plc, which is probably the same people as Character Options. Just a different time scale. There'll be a playlist for my Doctor Who related videos, so check the video description. Turn him off. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.